Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can design a button with hover effect using HTML and CSS. So first of all, let me just declare an anchor tag here, and in this anchor tag, let's set here click me. Let me just save this, and if we now open it in the browser, there you can see we have a button right now, clicking it. So here beside this anchor tag, we are going to say here class. Let's say class name will be my underscore button btn. So right now we are going to write some CSS code fields. So let's go inside the get section, and with that made, I'll say here style, and in the style we are going to write the CSS for this my button. So let me just copy this. As this is a class, we need to give a dot here. Then we need to give our class name into second bracket. So let me just first remove the underline from here. So for it, we are going to say text decoration, it will be none. If we save, then refresh, there you go. So we need to make it look like a button. So for it, we are going to say background dark blue. Then we are going to say here the color for the text will be, let's say, white. If we now save, then refresh, it will look like this. So let me just add some padding. Let's say padding will be 8px. Let me refresh here, there you go. So let's just make the corner a little bit round. So here we are going to say border radius, it will be 10px, and there you go, it become round. So instead of 10, let's say here 8px. I think that will look better, and there you go. So let me just add some shadow here. So for it, we need to say here box shadow. Let's say it will be 0, 0, 8px, then 0, and we need to give the color for the shadow. Let's say it will be this one, it will be black. This means black. You can choose different color. If you save it, then refresh, there you can see right now there is a shadow. And while we hover the cursor on the button, we want the background color to be changed. So for it, we are going to say dot my underscore btn. Then we are going to say here hover. So we are going to add the hover effect. So for it, we are going to say background color. Let's say it will be black. And if you want different text color, you can do it as well. For it, we are going to say the color it will be yellow. So the background color will be black and text color will be yellow. If we now save it, then refresh, and there you can see the background and text color changed. So we can add a little bit of transition so that it looks better. So for it, here we are going to say transition, then we are going to say background color, it will be, let's say it will take 2 seconds to change the background color. 2 seconds is, and let me just copy this and paste it here. So if you want longer duration, you can say here, let's say 5 seconds and 5 seconds. If you now save it, then refresh, and if you now hover on it, the background color will change slowly, there you can see. And if we just remove our cursor from here, it will take total 5 seconds to change to the original color. So I think you should make it 2 seconds and 2 seconds here, and let's say here sky blue. Let me refresh. If we now hover on the button, the color changes slowly, and if we remove our cursor, the color again will change slowly. So I hope you right now know how to create a hover effect and create a button using HTML and CSS. So make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.